This is a A3 size powder shaker curing machine. And you can see the film will go inside from here. And this is a powder holder. You put the powder here inside, and it will leak down to on the film. This one is the shaker. It can shake the film. And here have a sensor. This one is a sensor. It can detect the film and make this motor move to roll up the film. And here is our oven. Some of the cooling lamps inside. And this is the controller panel and a switch. And here also have a switch. It's turned off, and this is two direction. You can roll this direction and this direction. Now turn on. And you can set the heating temperature, means this oven. Now this target is 120, and this real temperature will up to 120. If you want to change this value, change this target, you can turn up, and this value will go up to 130. And if you don't want that higher, you can set 125. This is exams. And this is you can see the powder. And you can see this is on the, because here have a sensor. It detects the film. It will roll up. This changes speed. And this one is the speed up here. You can also change the speed.